Hello everyone. Welcome to Ava Talks Crypto. I'm your host, Ava, and I'll be delivering all the hottest and latest stories happening in and around the crypto space. For today's top stories, Ripple Labs states that US banks will want to start using XRP cryptocurrency after its partial victory in SEC fight. XRP surpasses Bitcoin in terms of trading volume following its win over SEC. SEC Chair Gary Gensler expresses disappointment after court ruling on XRP. United States may be missing a big opportunity in blockchain. Philippines Blockchain Council executive is seeing crypto adoption grow in the country. For our first-time viewers, Ava Talks Crypto is a YouTube channel dedicated to everything related to crypto. We deliver all the latest and hottest news. And we also upload daily market report videos where traders and investors like you will have a more comprehensive look at price movements for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and trending altcoins. Our expert analysts can also give you better insight into the crypto market and help you formulate your next trading strategy. Before we begin, please support what we do by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. You can also let us know what you think by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to share our videos with your friends who may be interested. Don't miss out on potentially lucrative trades by hitting that bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. Now let's start discussing the headlines. Let's kick things off with Ripple Labs stating that US banks will want to start using XRP cryptocurrency after its partial victory in the SEC fight. Ripple Labs is confident that US banks will start wanting to integrate XRP for cross-border transactions after a US judge gave the firm a partial victory in its fight against the SEC. Recently, the judge presiding over the Ripple case against the SEC ruled that XRP was not in itself necessarily a security. Although the ruling didn't mean a total victory for Ripple Labs, it removed XRP from the SEC's jurisdiction. A spokesperson from Ripple Labs is confident that financial institutions and US banks will start showing interest in adopting XRP for cross-border payments. The San Francisco-based crypto firm is expecting to start talks with American financial firms about using its on-demand liquidity product, which primarily uses XRP for money transfers. If financial institutions and banks consider using XRP, this will be a big win for Ripple Labs since it will start widespread adoption of the cryptocurrency. Ripple Labs has been fighting the SEC for the past 3 years over an allegation that the company and 2 of its executives conducted an illegal offering of $1.3 billion worth of XRP sales. Ripple disputed the claims and insisted that XRP cannot be considered a security, arguing that it is more akin to a commodity. Ripple Labs' business suffered as a result of the SEC lawsuit. The company lost at least one customer and investor. MoneyGram, the US money transfer giant, ended its partnership with Ripple in March 2021, soon after the lawsuit was filed. When asked whether the ruling meant that American banks would return to Ripple Labs to use its ODL product, most experts say yes. Ripple Labs also uses blockchain in its business to send messages between banks, which is like a blockchain-based alternative to SWIFT. The use of XRP for cross-border transactions will benefit a lot of customers. It will remove real-world problems in terms of moving value across borders without incurring obscene fees using the traditional system. Ripple Labs is hoping that this quarter will generate a lot of conversation in the United States with customers and that those conversations will actually turn into business. XRP is the 5th largest cryptocurrency in the world, and it's the cryptocurrency that Ripple Labs uses for cross-border transactions. According to Ripple, XRP can enable money movements in a fraction of a second with the least amount of fees. Up next, we have XRP surpassing Bitcoin and Ethereum in terms of trading volume. The XRP, the native token of Ripple Labs, has been one of the crypto's best performers this week. The sudden surge in performance was the result of Ripple Labs notching a landmark win in its legal battle with the SEC. According to Kaiko, XRP trades have recently comprised 21% of the total crypto trading volume. This left BTC in second place, with ETH following closely in third. Ripple's court victory served as a catalyst for the firm's native token. Since the ruling was announced, XRP has surged by over 55% in the past 5 days. At one point, XRP neared the $1 mark and became the 4th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Additionally, XRP's massive rally was also thanks to the massive support from multiple cryptocurrency exchanges. After the ruling, XRP was relisted on some of the major crypto exchanges in the United States. People started buying, and demand for the token soared. While the recent surge is nowhere near its peak back in 2021, XRP will undoubtedly start climbing back up as Ripple's case against the SEC reaches a favorable conclusion for the crypto firm. In related news, SEC Chair Gary Gensler expresses his disappointment in the court ruling for XRP. Gensler said that he was disappointed with the district court's decision in the Ripple case regarding retail investors. However, he is pleased with the part of the order that found that the institutional sale of the tokens did violate federal securities laws. According to Gensler, they are pleased with that decision, recognizing the importance of protecting institutional investors. While disappointed in what they said about retail investors, the SEC is still looking at the decision and assessing that opinion. Ripple scored a partial victory over the SEC when the court ruled that XRP isn't a security when sold to retail investors. Gensler declined to answer a question about what more the SEC needed to see to be confident about spot Bitcoin ETFs. The SEC's lawsuit against Ripple Labs isn't over. Many expert analysts are speculating a victory for Ripple Labs, which is driving the price of XRP up. We're also seeing whales accumulate massive amounts of the token. Up next, we have experts saying that the United States may be missing out on a big opportunity in blockchain. Cryptocurrency has been plagued with high-profile cases involving fraud over the past year. After the collapse of FTX and Terra Luna, financial regulators around the world have aggressively looked to rein in bad actors in the crypto asset marketplace. However, some policymakers also seem to have dismissed blockchain altogether. The current administration in the US has been known to crack down on crypto. The SEC filed lawsuits against several crypto firms operating in the United States, and the White House also devoted 30 pages in the economic report of the president to arguing against any positive use of cryptocurrencies. Crypto advocates argue that blockchain is a technology that enables data to be verified and transmitted dynamically across networks rather than through single, linear points of transmission. Experts agree that blockchain technology has a lot of real-world applications that would benefit the United States. Sadly, it is grossly underutilized in the country. On the other hand, China and Russia are taking note and are slowly beginning to adapt blockchain in their quest to combat US economic power. The European Union as well as Asia are also starting to develop blockchain-based digital ecosystems. In June, the European Commission published a draft legislative proposal to develop a digital euro, which is potentially based on blockchain. According to experts, if the United States continues to be indecisive in the development of blockchain technology, it will be left out. At the moment, Washington is sending mixed messages on blockchain. In early 2022, the White House Office of Science and Technology Policy updated its list of critical and emerging technologies deemed important to U.S. national security. In the list, financial technology using digital assets, digital payment technologies, digital identity infrastructure, and distributed ledger technology are listed, all of which use blockchain technology to develop. The United States is moving too slowly to utilize blockchain technology. If the country doesn't adapt, it will surely miss out on the massive benefits the technology brings. Let's now shift gears and explore another noteworthy news story in this dynamic ecosystem. In Southeast Asia, the Blockchain Council of the Philippines executive is seeing crypto adoption grow. According to the executive, Donald Lim, he believes blockchain and Web3 projects have the opportunity to flourish in the country. He added that the Philippines has all the ingredients for mainstream crypto and blockchain adoption. Lim stated that his organization recognizes that the world is moving toward Web3. At an event called Philippine Blockchain Week, they found that there's an entire ecosystem in the country looking to find its place in the world. Lim explained that they feel very strongly that we can be the blockchain capital of Asia. The population has the technical know-how, and in terms of adoption, the crypto community in the Philippines can adapt fast, citing Axie Infinity as an example. While there are numerous blockchain and Web3 projects in the Philippines, its ambition to become Asia's blockchain capital may not be far off. The Philippines has an open government, and this can serve as an opportunity for blockchain and Web3 projects to grow in the country. However, Lim believes that the possibility of living in the Philippines using only Bitcoin or crypto is still a long way off, but it is headed in that direction. He added that it's only a matter of time before all of these snowball into something bigger. These are the latest news stories we have for you today. Don't forget to watch our daily market report videos. Again, I'm Ava, and you've just watched Ava Talks Crypto. Thank you, and have a great day.